Good morning, everybody, on this Wednesday morning. It is 48 degrees, light jacket on this morning. As I make this video at 5:11 in the morning, there's an extremely bright, maybe one of the brightest full moons I have ever seen at this hour of the morning, just beyond the eave of my neighbor's house right there. Hey, my name is Rich. No storms today, but we do have storms to talk about tomorrow. And we will walk you through the severe weather threat tomorrow. Also, maybe some strong storms on Easter Sunday. In fact, over the next 8 days of the month, from now to the end of the month, there could be 3 severe weather situations. Southerly winds in Alabama today, you see that red arrow, are going to make us warm and breezy and comfortable. You see the big storm dropping out of the Rocky Mountains, which will cause all the storms out to the west of us today in the nation's heartland. But we're breezy and warm. But the Storm Prediction Center now says the best risk of severe weather would be from, let's say, north of St. Louis down to around Dallas. Severe thunderstorms and tornadoes possible. For us, partly sunny. It will become breezy, high in the mid-70s, low tonight 58. Southeast winds 8 to 16 miles per hour and kind of gusty today. And now, 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, some stronger storms developing in Alabama, some of which could already be severe, maybe in the western and northwestern counties. Moving on eastward, Storm Prediction Center has a slight risk of severe weather all the way down into the heart of south central Alabama and a marginal risk even into extreme south Alabama and down towards the coast. All of us under the risk tomorrow. A couple of future radars. You see two things, a line of storms developing in northwest Alabama, but also some cells out ahead of it that'll have to be watched. They could start to rotate. 7 o'clock, more of a cellular situation in southeast Alabama, but the line of storms moving towards central Alabama at that hour. Damaging wind gusts possible, 60 miles per hour or higher. Tornadoes certainly a possibility. Quarter-size hail. That's a big window of time from noon in the far western counties to 10 p.m. in the far east and southeast counties. And a few supercell thunderstorms, discrete supercells. That means some individual storms out ahead of the main line could start rotating. Good Friday, upper 60s, plenty of sunshine. Looks like a good day on Good Friday. And then Saturday, I now feel comfortable with taking rain out of the forecast for most of us. I'll say mainly sunny, high in the mid-70s, a few showers maybe grazing southeast Alabama. Here's Easter Sunday at 1 o'clock. Oh boy, low pressure just northwest of Memphis. That has to be watched. The position of that low concerns me. Here's the European having the low a little bit farther to the north. Could that be a severe weather threat? It's certainly possible. We'll be watching that carefully. Next few days, 90% chance of storms, mid-70s tomorrow. Upper 60s, Good Friday is dry. Saturday's now looking like a good day. I put the rain chances at 10% just in case. 73 on Easter Sunday with storms, and then a slight chance of storms on Monday morning. Easter Sunday, thunderstorms likely. 73 is your high. The low at night on Easter, 60 with sunrise at 6:41. Now, on this European 10 days, let me draw your attention to the bottom, those blue bars. 3 storm systems, Thursday, Easter, and March 31st, each of which could become severe. We'll have to watch it. It's a very active period of time. This is the GFS temperatures out 16 days, and although we don't see any cold blast on the 16 days, I would caution you that first week of April, we're going to have to watch carefully. Could be some revisions in that forecast as some more cool air tries to sneak in. Hey, Penny Smith Adcock sent us this picture from Elba overnight showing that beautiful full warm moon, which is still out as I make this video. The moon set this morning will be at 6:17. Boy, those are beautiful pictures. Thank you very much, Penny. Boy, if every day could be this nice. But we know this is March, and we know this is Alabama, and we know this is severe weather season, so we're just going to have to deal with these occasional storm systems. We'll stay on top of it. I'll have another video for you online by tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock, and additional weather posts as needed on my Facebook group, Rich Thomas Weather, and my Twitter account at Rich Forecaster. Have a great day today. I'll see you in the morning.
Rich Thomas Weather.